coming at you guys with another YouTube video. This one's gonna be a real quick video, nothing too crazy. I got one of these, and if you don't know what this is, it is a differential brace. This one is made by Turn5. I don't know if you can see that or not. Basically, there's another brand, Bello Raceworks, which is the one everyone gets. In the 350Z group on Facebook, everyone was roasting Turn5 for pretty much copying their design. But Turn5 saw the criticism and they were like, it's very similar, but they also added a jack point, which is cool because I don't have a rear bash bar. So I've heard good things about diff braces, and I think it's gonna be overall, it's a good upgrade. And I got it on holiday sale, and it's black, and it's pretty cool. So me and Ryan, we're gonna install this, show you what's up, and then I'm gonna take my car out for a drive and see if it's really worth it. So stay tuned.
What size those bolts?
What size those bolts? We'll figure that out in like 10 seconds. With the differential brace, it came with this bolt, washers, and then these two bolts. This bolt right here, you're gonna need a 19mm socket or wrench. These bolts here are 17mm. And then the stock bolts, I'll show you the stock bolts on the diff real quick. These are going to be right here, and they are 14mm. So just if anyone's doing it, that's what you're gonna need. Which way am I going?
Going the right way.
Take 3. We're trying to break her bar now. Wow.
Wow. Beautiful.
Good. It's so good. This one's not so good.
There you go, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Break those bolts, but not literally.
Yeah. Whoa. What are you doing, dude?
Dude, I hate the single tip line.
Oh, the subframe. So yeah, that hole right there in the subframe, that's for this hole right here. It's pretty dope. It helps support the diff. Support the diff, right, Joey?
Yeah. Support your local differential.
Hey, Joey, I got you a 17mm.
Also, can you hand me the socket going away? Can you hand me the other bolt so I can get that started too?
Oh God, yeah. No, I think you take the washer off, and I think you put it.
I take this off.
I don't know. Put it in the comments.
Can't really get it in that well the other way.
Oh God.
Okay, so, us being ignorant, I took this off. You're gonna need to put this bolt through, and then put this in this way, and then stick it in. And, you know, it fits like a glove. So,
Fits like a glove.
let me just get back to it here. We'll tighten all these bolts.
I got. Do you need help?
I need more help than you can give me, brother.
Well, here you've got this wrench here, and you've got this this ratcheting wrench here, and this 19mm socket, and you'll crank that bad boy down.
Alright, dude. It's good.
Alright,
We're
dude.
good.
That's mint.
Let's take it on a drive.
What are torque specs anyways? Whoa, 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 whoa.
we got a nice solid diff brace. Look at that, dude, it's shaking the whole car. It's gonna fall on me. So I guess we'll go take it out on a drive and see how it does. Test out that jack stand though, or jacking point.
Boom.
It's just gonna,
Boom.
when I start jacking it up, it's just gonna like destroy the entire car. Well, dang, it looks like it works.
It just rips like right out of the diff. I want that suspension to cry.
There it is, dude. We're some certified mechanics. Don't at us. So, as you can see, we got the GoPro mounted up. We're gonna take it for a quick drive and see how it feels, if the shifting gears feels any different, if it feels any stiffer. Just, we'll see what's up. You ready, Ryan?
Oh, I'm ready.
Get this cold start.
So cold, so chilly.
It does feel like the gears are a little like stiffer. It feels like they're going in a little better. I mean, like, it could just be me, I don't know, but so far so good. Ooh,
oh, it was him.
Farted, dude. I don't really know, honestly.
You alright?
It's pretty good though. Oh, hell yeah, dude, it's still there. Hell yeah, dude. I didn't lose the GoPro. So, I hope this video helped anyone trying to install, or if they're on the fence about buying a differential brace. I'm pretty sure they're all the same, so no matter what company you go with, you're gonna get something good. But Bell Raceworks, made in the USA, Turn 5, made in the USA, has a jack point. Pretty much the same thing. I mean, right now, I don't think you're gonna see a big difference just through normal shifting, but in the long run, I'm sure it's gonna help the diff a lot if you're dumping the clutch a lot or anything that involves a lot of stress on the differential. Because in reality, the differential doesn't have a lot of support for this car, and I mean, more support never hurts. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll freaking see you later.